Rome did not fall. That is the first lie history tells us. In another timeline, the empire endured and crossed an ocean it was never meant to reach. This is a world where America became a Roman province. Rome did not fall. That is the first lie history tells us. In our world, we're taught that the Roman Empire collapsed under its own weight. Corruption, decadence, barbarians at the gates. But imagine a different ending. Imagine Rome choosing adaptation over collapse, reform instead of retreat. In this world, Rome does not vanish. It consolidates, centralizes, and waits. This is the conjecture of a timeline where the empire endured long enough to cross an ocean it was never meant to reach. The surviving empire abandons endless expansion. Instead, it perfects governance. Roads become data routes. Census becomes surveillance. Law becomes algorithmic. Latin never dies, it evolves. When transatlantic contact finally occurs, Rome does not discover a new world. It absorbs it. The Americas are not colonies. They are provinces, administered, taxed, standardized. What we would later call the United States is classified simply as Provincia Nova Occidentis. There is no revolution in this America. No founding fathers, no declaration. Citizenship is not inherited. It is earned. Legions do not march through streets. They patrol networks. Infrastructure is flawless. Identity is irrelevant. You are Roman, or you are undocumented. Democracy never emerges because Rome sees no need for it. Rome's greatest achievement is not conquest. It is continuity. Wars are minimized. Famines are rare. Crime is predictable, but innovation slows. Art becomes formula. Dissent becomes pathology. History is no longer written. It is maintained. Humanity survives, but it never escapes the empire's shadow. In this timeline, freedom is not stolen. It is never invented. Rome does not fall, and because falling would imply weakness. Instead, it endures. And perhaps that is the greater tragedy. History remembers collapse, but it forgets the empires that learned how to last. And perhaps that is the greater loss.